Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in getting into cryptocurrencies, today's video is perfect for you. We're diving into how to buy XRP on Trading 212 in 2025. XRP, created by Ripple, is a popular digital asset known for its fast transaction speeds and low fees, making it a great choice for cross-border payments. With the crypto market evolving rapidly, Trading 212 remains a user-friendly platform for beginners and pros alike. First things first, make sure you have a Trading 212 account. If not, head to their website or app and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic info and verify your identity, which is a standard step for security reasons. Once you're logged in, the next step is to fund your account. You can deposit money via bank transfer, debit card, or even PayPal. Keep an eye on any fees, as they can vary based on your location and the method you choose. In 2025, Trading 212 might have even more options, like instant crypto deposits. Now, let's get to the fun part: buying XRP. Navigate to the search bar in the app or website, type in XRP, and select it from the results. You'll see the current price and some charts. Take a moment to analyze if you're new to trading. Then, decide how much you want to invest. Click on Buy and confirm your order. It's that simple. Before you dive in, remember a few key tips. Always set up two-factor authentication for extra security, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto world can be volatile, so stay informed about regulations, especially around XRP, which has had its share of legal ups and downs. There you have it. Buying XRP on Trading 212 in 2025 is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart and trade safe.